Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my dear student of Dawhat al-Marfa Private School, grade 6. Welcome to a new writing lesson. Today we are going to revise how to write the biography about famous people. Here we have some famous people and we can use them in writing the biography about their life. Before we start our lesson, let's revise some verbs in the present form and in the past form. The verb go is in the present form and the past form from it is went, travel, traveled, have or had, am or is, was, are, were, study, studied, write, wrote, die, died, draw, drew, become, became, read, read, make, made. So the first part is in the present form and the second part is in the past form. Now let's see how we can form a sentence in the past form. We have to start with the subject, the doer of the action, and then we add the verb in the past form, and the last thing we add or we will add is the object, like when I say Ahmed played a game, Sami wrote a story, Ali studied history, Amir went to Oman. So these are sentences in the past tense with this verb played, wrote, studied, and went. Now let's answer this quiz quickly. We have the first question here. Ahmed bin Magid, a famous Omani navigator. Ahmed bin Magid is or has he? Yes, excellent. The answer is. Next, he was born 1418 in Oman. With the dates, I can use the preposition. Preposition what? Yes, excellent. In. Next, he's studying Arabic and traveling to many Arab countries. He what? Wrote, didn't, enjoyed, had. What is the verb which is followed by the gerund? Excellent, enjoyed. Next, he many books about sailing and navigation. Books, he what? Excellent, wrote. Next, he the compass and developed it. He visited, invented, traveled, was, excellent, invent. Next, he history, math, and science. He what? He excellent, studied. He in 1501 in Oman. He excellent. The past form from die is died. Now let's see how we can write the biography about Ahmed bin Magid. Elements of the biography are: the first thing, who is the person, his name and fame. The second element is place, where and when he was born. Next, learning, what did he study and where. Works, what did he wrote or what did he write or invent. And the last thing is this, when and where did he die. Now let's see how we can write the biography about Ahmed bin Magid. We have here some information. Born 1418, born Oman, invented the compass, studied math and science, wrote books about sailing, traveled to India and China, died 1501. Now let's answer question by question and try to form the biography. The first question, when was Ahmed bin Magid born? He was born in 1418. Next, where was he born? He was born in Oman. Next, what did he invent? Yes, he invented the compass. Next, what did he study? Yes, he studied math and science. What did he write? He wrote books about sailing. Where did he travel? He traveled to China and India. The last question, when did he die? He died in 1501. Now let's write the biography about Ahmed bin Magid. We can say we will use the sentence in all the biographies that we will write. I will write about a famous person. This person is Ahmed bin Magid. The first sentence, he was a famous Omani navigator. He was born in 1418. We cannot see here. We use before the verb born the auxiliary was. We have to use the auxiliary was before the verb born. He was born in Oman. He invented the compass. He studied math and science. He wrote many books about sailing. He traveled to India and China. He died in 1501. All the verbs that we have used in writing the biography are in the past form. Like born, invented, wrote, died, and traveled. Now let's see another biography. Write a biography about an explorer called Marco Polo. Use all the information in the box. Your paragraph should be correct and well organized. What are the steps that we will follow? First thing, verbs in the past simple. Man, we can use the pronoun he. We have to order the sentence. Number 1, an explorer. Number 2, born. Number 3, father, uncle, merchants. Number 4, made journey. Number 5, journey was dangerous. Number 6, returned Venice, a lot of money. Jewel. Present wrote books, adventure. Now we have to write. Let's start. We can say the first sentence. Marco Polo is a famous explorer. He was born in Venice in Italy in 1254. His father and uncle were merchants. In 1271, he made a journey to China, and it was a very dangerous journey. In 1205, he returned to Venice with a lot of money and jewel. In the present, he wrote a book about his adventures. He died in 1324 in Italy. Excellent, my student. This is a link. If you want to answer this exercise, all you have to do is pressing the link and enter the site to answer this task. We have also another task here. If you want to answer it, press the link and answer the task. Now, let's answer this exercise. We have a biography about a person called Taha Hussein. The first sentence that we will use, I will write about a famous person. This person is Taha Hussein. He was a famous Egyptian writer. He was born in 1889. He was born in Egypt. His family was poor. He studied in Al-Azhar University. And he died in 1973 in Egypt. So all the verbs here are in the past form. The second exercise is about a person called Ahmed bin Said. The first sentence that we will use, I will write about a famous person. This person is Ahmed bin Said. He was a famous Omani person. He was born in Adam. He was born in 1710 or 1710. He lived in Sohar. He had 7 sons and 3 daughters. He died in 1783 in Rustak. So all the verbs that we have used in writing these biographies are in the past form, and we use the pronoun he with Ahmed and Taha. Now we come to the end of our lesson. Enjoy your time and see you next time, inshallah. Be safe.